Baki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kakong dalin kinti khashi yeng na Ophis Jylla Deputy Commissioner Jylla East Khasi Hills District. Kala ujo chi pulit bagi sangut kibri kiblatip kerteng kumujay Prakash Yadav, Sandeep Yadav, Vinay Yadav, Ajay Yadav, but Satish Yadav, kilawan Thep yaga form OBC hakanika Ophis dakikot kisla kibathong. Kaniga longkat kum ka khubor bagi pulit laplat padba hak website Jylla.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.